to a second jungle. It's gonna be way better than the first one. This is gonna be a fun adventure. Let's go.
Give me hand.
If you see any snakes, make sure to run.
Okay.
Because I already don't
Go to your car and sit in the car.
Yeah, I'm scared. I'm so scared. Give me the Sonic glasses. Look, I see a snake. Oh, hi guys. I just found a camping place exactly between the jungle. And guys, I found a snake hole right over there. I'm scared of snakes, so I'm not gonna be that worried.
There are lots of snakes hidden inside.
I don't want to be
Mosquito. There's a mosquito. Look, there's a mosquito.
You're scared?
Scared of me. Richard.
Have you seen any?
Behind.
No, Vico.
Say hi, my kitty.
You know me? How can I kill every dangerous creatures who hurt you?
Oh, hey guys. I want to tell you why we got out of here. Because there was dangerous things ahead of us. So we need to be careful and make sure to always stay safe and stay home. Bye bye.